At its core, The Law of Innocence is a story about identity, resilience, and the transformative power of truth. The novel follows Mickey Haller, the Lincoln lawyer, whose life is upended when he is arrested for murder after a routine traffic stop reveals a body in the trunk of his car. The victim is a former client, and the evidence against Haller appears overwhelming. The story begins with Haller's shocking arrest. Stripped of his freedom and reputation, he faces the daunting task of defending himself in court. Unlike his usual role as advocate, Haller must now prove his own innocence, navigating a system that seems predisposed to convict him. The novel thrives on its blend of courtroom drama and emotional resonance. Connelly uses depositions, jury selection, and trial strategy as metaphors for resilience, betrayal, and authenticity. The courtroom itself becomes both crucible and sanctuary, highlighting the fragility of survival and the importance of courage. Supporting characters enrich the narrative. Haller embodies loyalty and vulnerability, his bond with colleagues reflecting the tension between intimacy and fear. Harry Bosch, Connelly's iconic detective, symbolizes resilience and authenticity, his devotion grounding the story in emotional truth, while his investigative support amplifies the tension between justice and secrecy. Prosecutors, judges, and rivals embody ambition and betrayal, intensifying the conflict between truth and deception. As the story unfolds, Haller confronts betrayal, manipulation, and the devastating consequences of corruption. His bond with Bosch reflects the tension between intimacy and suspicion, authenticity and ambition. The trial, though perilous, becomes both crucible and sanctuary, affirming the importance of resilience and truth. The emotional core of the novel lies in Haller's confrontation with identity. He struggles to reconcile his role as lawyer and defendant with his vulnerability as a man scarred by betrayal. Bosch, meanwhile, confronts the fragility of authenticity in a world defined by secrecy and ambition. Their journeys reflect the tension between resilience and vulnerability, ambition and justice. The climax is tense and revelatory. The truth about the murder collides with Haller's quest for justice, exposing betrayal and manipulation. The confrontation is both painful and transformative, underscoring the novel's central message. Survival requires courage, but justice demands sacrifice. The resolution is bittersweet yet affirming. Haller, though scarred, embraces resilience, choosing authenticity over fear. Bosch, though burdened by loss, affirms the importance of courage and truth. The novel closes with the affirmation that resilience can triumph even in the shadow of betrayal, leaving the series poised for continuation. Beyond its legal thriller plot, The Law of Innocence explores themes of identity, resilience, and authenticity. It asks, can justice survive in the shadow of corruption? How do we confront fear when truth demands honesty? And what does it mean to embrace authenticity when it threatens tradition? Connelly's prose is sharp, immersive, and emotionally charged. He balances courtroom suspense with psychological depth, ensuring that the novel is both thrilling and thought-provoking. The blend of legal intrigue, emotional resonance, and moral tension makes The Law of Innocence compelling, appealing to readers who crave both intensity and reflection. Ultimately, The Law of Innocence is more than a legal thriller. It is a meditation on resilience, vulnerability, and authenticity. Haller's journey embodies the book's central message. True strength lies not in perfection, but in the courage to confront betrayal and embrace truth.